What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, I got something from the TikTok shop. These scissors, they was promoting it like cutting it like through chicken, like very easy. So let's go ahead and test it out. For one thing I could say is this thing is very heavy. Well, not very heavy, but it has weight to it. It's not like your regular scissors. It seems sharp, and they have the brand name on it, which is called HUUSK. It says HUUSK Japan. You can open a bottle. So it has teeth right here. Let's go ahead and get into the test and see how easy it cuts through the chicken. Oh, wow. Oh, this is the truth. It really cuts through the chicken. Oh, if it cuts through the chicken this easy, man, chicken breast will be easy, you guys. And my wife actually want to cut chicken breasts later on, so this is pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, this is actually the first thing from TikTok that actually works properly. Everything else from TikTok is, man, you'll struggle. All right, but this one, I have to honestly say, with an honest review, look, it's cutting the chicken. You can make your own Panda Express, you guys. I'm making Panda Express right now. Look at this. Easy. Nice and easy, you guys. All right. So that will be it. I'll look to see. I don't want to touch anything else. I'll look to see what else that this is really good for. But as far as chicken, I mean, man, it cut through like it was paper. So definitely be careful. You also have like ridges right here. I don't know what you can use it for. Maybe to grind something. You have seems like a can opener here, but it seems sharp. Okay, so I'm not sure, but they have a little cut right there. All right, so it's like a 4-in-1. Unfortunately, no instructions, and on the box it don't tell you what to do. It just says multi-purpose design, so you will have to come up with your own what to do. So you have a loop right there. You got ridges right here on top. From what I see, you have your bottle opener right here, and then it's sharp as I don't know what. So definitely be careful, be safe. Don't keep this around nobody that don't know how to use a knife. You know what I mean? So if they don't know how to use anything sharp, don't keep them around it. Kids, elderly, or somebody that's clumsy. It even cuts through the bone. Like, look at this. I have this quarter piece, right? I'm cutting a little bit on this side, right? Look at that. It cuts through the bone. You make sure that you be careful with your hands with this thing. This thing, man, I don't know. This is the sharpest pair of scissors I have ever used in my life. If they sell this on Amazon, I will try to post the link. I know everybody don't have a TikTok, but man, this is the best thing that I have bought from TikTok.